Okay people, here we are back with the Renegade Master. No, I'm just kidding. Yes, it's a RetroPie console. It's African hardwood, it's brass bullet shells and a missile switch. And it's running emulation station. The whole chassis was hand machined, if that's the right expression, on a router that I put in my folding table. And boom, there it is. So here we are soldering things to things. We're just soldering things to things. Now, the great thing about this particular battery set, if I just try and zoom you in a little bit. Oh, come on, zoom in. There it is. Yeah, wicked. So you can see the connector there that's hanging off the side, and we've got the ability to be able to solder directly onto the lithium ion set cells. So we've got to tin those little cables up, lots of tinning going on, bit of soldering going on, that kind of stuff. And then this bad boy fits in the recess that I hand milled, in the wooden console. So yeah, boom, switch, missile switch, wire up the missile switch. Well, what else is there to do on a, whatever it was, Saturday evening? With all of that wired in place, in a few seconds, hopefully you'll see that I've put together something of a power supply for this bad boy. But there are some problems with the power supply. The module that I ordered doesn't quite provide enough current, and also the battery's probably a little bit flat. So I went through the procedure of charging the battery and all that kind of good stuff, just to see if I can figure out what the hell's going on. And yeah, I had to use my glasses and everything. Well, they're, you know, magnifying glasses. They're useful. Safety glasses, perhaps. Okay, so it would appear that this little module here, which converts the 3 or 4 volts from the battery into 5 volts for the Raspberry Pi and screen, it just doesn't appear to be generating quite enough power. So I'll do a quick voltage test on this in a few seconds, but by the looks of things, I'm going to have to buy another one of these, something that's it's a little bit better, something that can provide a couple of amps, a real couple of amps at 5 volts. This one said it did, but it looks like it's only doing an amp. Unless, of course, I got a problem with the battery here, which might need charging up, so maybe I should charge that up first. Anyway, there we go, the trials and tribulations of building your own games console. Right, so I had a quick look online, and online told me that I could connect directly to the Pi itself. So I went ahead and connected directly to the Pi. So the Pi header is here and here, and you can see this little bad boy sitting here. Now, so this battery then is under load. We just have a quick look at the voltage across the battery, 3.63 volts. So yeah, it's a little bit on the low side, to be honest. And let's have a quick look at the voltage that's getting into the Pi. 3.8 volts. Yeah, that's not good, is it? So so yeah, up in the top right-hand corner of the Pi, you can see a little lightning bolt. And that's basically telling you that you haven't got quite enough power. But going directly onto the pin header seems to have stabilised things a little bit. I've got a feeling that I just need to perhaps charge the lithium ion cell here. This is going to be evil. There you go, didn't power down properly, but we've made some pretty good progress there. We've got a system that sort of almost works now. Anyway, yeah, rate, comment, subscribe and all of that kind of stuff. And boom, there it is, there's the system. It's doing its thing, it's firing up, everything's looking sensible. Happy days. What we've got to do now is put some speakers in, and we need to put an audio amp in at some point. Fantastic little speakers. We've got to drill some holes where they need to go and sort all that kind of gubbins out. About there and there-ish. And once that's done, I think, well, I'm not entirely happy with the buttons and the way the buttons work. They're a bit mushy, so I've ordered and have received, thankfully, some replacement switches that I'm gonna put in place of the spongy button pads. Yeah, a bit of chiseling needed to be done to to flatten out that area of where the speaker's going to go, and obviously we needed to put some holes there, and there are the holes going in. Oh, look at that. Hot glue. Oh god, I love hot glue. Hot glue is the best thing ever invented, aside from super glue and two-part epoxy. Yeah. Alright, good, excellent. Well, I hope you've enjoyed progress so far. We are so close now. This is a quick shout out to Dave. Dave, your dubious engineering mug will be winging its way all the way to America very soon. Thanks kindly for your order.